Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, this video is about how to attempt your assignment, some of the concerns that you had in your previous assignment. Your Juice 2 assignment will be open soon today, inshallah, for you. So once you log in, you go to your assignment. Make sure that you read all the instructions that are given here. They are very important for you. So inshallah, make sure that you read the instructions before you start your assignment. And here are the keys given how to make the font bigger or smaller. Some of you had concern that you were not able to see the font and it was small for you. So inshallah, I will just display you as well. Continue the last preview. It will show you as start your first attempt, or continue your first attempt if you have already started it. So here we are inside the assignment. Let's go to the main page. First of all, how to increase the size of your font. So you hold on to Control or Command key if you have a Mac, and if it's a computer, then Control key. You hold on to it and then click on the plus key, which is very near to back button or delete button. Plus. So as soon as you press once, twice, it will keep getting bigger. How big you want it, depending on. And then if you want to take it back to smaller, then keep holding the Command or Control key and click minus, which is right next to plus sign. So you can make it smaller or bigger, how you like it. Okay, inshallah. When you're attempting your assignment, then make sure that you just don't do it in 1 hour or sit down once and last minute you just do it. The purpose of assignment is learning and reviewing your notes. So start doing it as soon as it's available. Maybe do a few questions in one day, 4 or 5 questions or 10 questions one day, and then keep doing it that way until it's time for submission. How you can save it? It will auto save for you. All you have to do is change the screen. I will just randomly select one option here and save it for you to show you. So here I am just saving a few questions. Okay, so I think that's enough. Now what happens, you change your screen, you go to next screen. Here you are, and if you scroll up over here, see here's on the left side quiz navigation. You can see the question numbers goes from 1 to 40, and you can switch back and forth. See these gray ones, these are the ones that I have already saved the answers for. How did I save it? I selected a few questions, I completed some of them, and then I changed the screen. I click on either on the bottom next here, or you just click on the quiz navigation and go to another screen, maybe question number 31. So you can switch back and forth within these 4 screens by clicking on the question wherever you want to be. So if you are here on the last screen and you are attempting question number 31 and you want to go back, you just simply go back here. Click here and it will take you back to question number 1. So there is an easy way of navigating within the questions of the same assignment. How do you save it? I already showed you. Now these are the questions that I have already answered. Now I can log out. I can simply easily log out. And the next time when I want to do my assignment, I will log back in and I'll show you it will have my answers saved. So all you have to do is change the screen. And you should not get one message that I will just show you. If that message shows up, that means your answers are not saved. So you go back to your assignment and you continue the last preview or last attempt. It will show you as an attempt. It is showing me as a preview because I'm not a student. It depends on your role. So here they are. My answers are saved. So these were the questions that I attempted. They are saved for me. Let's go here on second page. And see, I will attempt a few questions from here as well. And if I try logging out or going back to the main screen, see it is giving me a message. Do you want to leave this site? It actually is a warning that your answers are not saved. So stay here. Don't leave. If you left, your answers will not be saved for these questions. Now click on the next screen. And here, your question number 12, 13, and 14, mine are saved. And I can go back to the same screen and I can show you they are there. So the ones that are grayed out, see how answers are there. So the ones here you see grayed out, they are already attempted. They're saved for you. And these ones white, they're showing you that you haven't attempted them and you must complete them. Once you are done, actually before that, your Amal story from just 2 assignment will have marks for it. So here you will click tick mark of doing your Amal story and type it here. Whatever you type it here, your reflection, it should not be a reflection, it should be an Amal story that you changed in your own behavior. So if you started, for example, praying all 5 prayers on time at the earliest time of the prayer, then that's what your Amal story is. Or you started supporting someone as a charity on regular basis, that's your Amal story. So Amal story has to do with an action. It's not the reflection that this ayah was amazing and I really like it. No, that it's not about reflection, it's your Amal story. What you changed in your action after doing this juz. And there will be only one Amal story required from each juz. And this is mandatory. If you did not click here as a tick mark after typing your Amal story here, you will not get marks for it. So make sure then when you type your Amal story here, you also tick mark it. And once you're done with your assignment, you go to next. And that's the last page. Here it's giving you summary of all of your questions that you answered or you did not answer. I haven't completed it yet, but you can either return to attempt or you can submit all and finish. But once you click on this button, you will not be able to see your assignment again. Submit all and I finish. So once I submit and finish, it will show me my results, which is it's really bad because it's all wrong. You will get your results and just like your quiz. So that's how you will attempt your assignment, and these are the important things about the assignment. Let me see if I haven't missed anything. How the marks will be calculated. So your each juz have part 1 test, part 2 test, and assignment. So each test has 30 marks and assignment 40. You combine 40, 30, 30 and that's equal to 100. And from that total 100, you must attain above 80% in order to pass that particular juz. So if your total is less than 80% from your assignment and part 1 and 2 test, then you will be asked to take a retest. So you have to wait until all 3 are done. So that's how your marks will be combined from one juz. Something for your own being organized and achieving or doing this course in a better way is that note down the important things, important homeworks, either in an agenda or a diary or a calendar for yourself so that you know what are the important dates and you don't forget them. And your test, what are upcoming tests, whenever your teacher announces it, make sure that you note it down and have it as a reminder for yourself so that you don't miss out on anything. And I think that's all. Your assignment, as I already told you, it's for learning purpose, and please do not do it last minute. It's not going to benefit you. And you're here to learn, right? You're not doing it for marks. Make sure that you do it in multiple settings. Go through your notes, understand the question properly, and then answer it, inshallah. And that's all. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.